Canada, St. Gis.
Charlie. Charlie here. Charlie. Aki here. Charlie. Charlie here. Charlie. Hey, come on.
Oh no!
Aki will be here soon, okay? Yeah, Charlie boy. Charlie boy meeting Aki soon. Alright. Ayan. Alright, si Charlie boy. From Philippines. Alright. Pwede. So, ayan si Charlie, oh. Susundo na kay ano. Kay Aki. Susundo siya kay Aki. Yan, Charlie boy. Ayan, aso pwede dito sa ano, airport. Yan, oh. Diba? Excited siya. Alright. Go. Rival, domestic. Excited makita si Aki. Si Aki. Ayan. Alright. Alright. Pinoposisyon na yung ano.
Oh my God! Wow!
Against the light kasi. Ayan, oh. Galing ano, Vancouver, Canada. Nandiyan si Aki. Aki on board.
Like a bus to the baby and the mom. And some siblings were around. It was like the whole
Yeah. See you, my friend. Ayun, nag-meet na sila, oh, ni Aki.
Oh my God! Wow!
Wait, baby. Ayan, oh. Yan. Yan, oh, ano na yan, kaibigan na yan. Kaibigan na.